I grew up a latchkey kid, which means I ate about 1 million frozen burritos as a kid. I feel like I'm lucky to still be alive. And if you're like me and you've eaten a ton of microwave frozen burritos, you know that that first bite that you take, it like burns your tongue. And then the second bite that you take, it's ice cold. And that's kind of how the real estate market has returned, and really how the real estate market always used to be back before all the kind of craziness happened. And this makes it really tough because when you're looking at real estate statistics and trying to extrapolate average prices, median prices, it may not really be an indication about the house that you're trying to buy or maybe the house that you're trying to sell. For example, there's a house that I sold last year, probably several, that would sell for 30% less today. And other homes that I sold last year that would probably sell for very close to what they sold for last year. And so there's no necessarily rhyme or reason looking at the stats and saying year over year prices and thinking that it really means anything for your property or the one you're buying. So if you're actually in the market wanting to buy or sell a property, before you use kind of erroneous statistics, contact us so that we can give you a better idea of what's happening in your neighborhood and with your property. All right, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat a burrito.